Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop. On the application of Temu, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Temu and we click here. In this window of app info we go to Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.